So guys, ito po yung pool. Ito po yung ginagawa ko ngayon para mailipat ko po yung ang aking other long vines na other plants. So I don't know if I wanna try using the plant inch since din siya yung humahaba. So ito lang po yung gamit ko ha. Yung ito, 'di ba nakita niyo naman coconut husk. So tapos yung string. And then ito ang pole. So ito mga pole na to, nabili ko to sa Walmart. I think mga $5 yata ito. So I don't know how much ngayon. Kasi nabili ko pa yan 3 years ago. Tapos ito, nabili ko lang yan sa sa Dollar Tree. At ito sa Dollar Tree. Yung yung nilalagay sa garden. So, inano ko lang po siya, yung pinupunit-punit ko lang po siya. At tingnan mo, niro-roll ko siya dito sa pole na to. Yan po ang pagkagawa ko po ng aking coconut husk pole. O, diba? Kaysa bibilhin mo ng mahal, tingnan mo naman, mura pa siya pag binili mo. Makagawa ka pa ng marami. So, ayan po ang gamit ko. At magiging ganyan na po siya. So, ayan po. I hope you guys had an idea how to do it for your plants. For your long vine plants. It's good for any long vine plants like pothos, gold pothos, any pothos plants. This is the sample one right here. See? That's the sample one that I did. So I just show you how I did it, mine. So I hope this gives you an idea. And now look, kumakapit, diba? Now you see how they got close to it, and then you have to water your plants. You like spray it through here to the coconut husk pole, so that way you see how the roots, they climb up. They like that. But of course, if you want to do that, make sure you have this string so secured. But that's how it looks like.